Alright, today we're shooting a 458 Lott Model 70, and we're testing to see about our latch, our floor plate release latch. We don't have a spring, and we're showing that with the proper angle of those meeting surfaces that you don't even need the spring power is basically just to return the latch when you do open it up. A lot of guys will try to get around that by putting a much stronger spring in. Well, if you have everything the geometry correct, you don't even need a spring at all. So the spring tension is irrelevant. And you can see the latch hasn't moved. No spring. Cut!